So today I'm going to show you how to make a blinking effect in After Effects. I already inputted my footage, but if you haven't already, please do that now. Mine is just of a student waking up from studying. They kind of fell asleep on the job. We've all been there. So first you're going to want to go up to Layer and then New, and then click on the solid icon. Once that comes up, you can name it and make sure that the color is black. Then just click OK, and you're going to have this black sheet over your footage. Now you're going to want to click on the pen tool and make a rough oval around your mask. Once you connect all the dots together, you're going to want to go down to the drop arrow on the solid layer, then hit down on the mask arrow and click on the invert icon. So now the outside of your circles should be black and the inside should be what your footage actually looks like. Now hit the drop down arrow for mask 1 and then change how much feathering you want on the pixels. This will create the foggy effect of kind of like having eyelids. Once you have all the settings done, move your cursor over to around the 1 second mark and create a keyframe. Once you have that keyframe put in, move your cursor back over to the 0 seconds mark and select all of the little bubbles that you've created with your pen tool and bring them in to kind of make them connect in the middle. This is how we're mimicking the eyelids, so it's going to look like their eyelids are closed. Once you have it the way you want it, hit play and it should look like the eyes are slowly opening. If you want to play around with it, you can go to the 1 second mark and add another keyframe and then drag it to another place on your timeline to make the eye motion look like it's opening a little slower. This can create a disoriented kind of look. And now here I'm actually copying the second keyframe by using Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-V and then manipulating it to make the eyes look like they're all the way open. So here's a little bit of what that would look like. If you want to avoid the robotic look, you can select all of the keyframes, then go to Keyframe Assistant, and then click on Easy Ease. This will give it a more natural look. From here you can keep adding and manipulating those keyframes and those points that you made with your pen tool to create more of a dramatic look depending on what you're going for. I hope this was helpful.